This video will showcase the process of conducting an online test, including an introduction to the primary modules. Upon logging into your account, you will notice a menu on the left-hand side, which facilitates navigation through the various modules of the Testinvite assessment software. The question bank module allows you to generate and save your test questions in a centralized location. The tests module serves as a storage location for your customized tests. The tasks module is responsible for the creation and administration of assessments. These modules are interrelated. Firstly, you create test questions and save them in your question bank. Subsequently, you generate your tests by utilizing the questions from your question bank. Finally, you create a task by incorporating one or more tests into it, and then begin enrolling and inviting participants. To provide a quick overview of each module and demonstrate how they are interconnected, I will conduct a brief demonstration. Let's begin by generating a few test questions and saving them in the question bank. I will navigate to the question bank and click on the red plus icon located at the bottom right of the page. Then, I will select the multiple choice question category from the options presented. I will input the question text, formulate the options, and select the correct response. After previewing the question, I will proceed to the Folder tab and assign a name to indicate the folder where the question will be saved in the question bank. I will also add several tags to the question to make it easier to locate. Finally, I will save the question. For the next question, I will select Input Question option from the list of available question types. I will write the question text, and then select the text field option under the Answer tab of the editor. This allows the test taker to input a text response. After previewing the question, I will store it in the same folder as the previous question. Similar to before, I will include several tags to facilitate administration. Now I continue with creating a test by accessing the Tests module and clicking on the red plus icon located at the bottom right of the page. I will provide a name for the test, as well as the initial section of the test. Then, I will add the questions we've created previously into the first page of the first section. After that, I will add another page to the first section and browse my question bank to add some further questions. Finally, I will create another section for my test and use the static page builder to automatically create pages by selecting the questions and providing a number of pages to distribute the questions into. Let's preview the test by clicking on the preview icon located at the top right of the test editor. It looks like everything is in order. After finishing creating our test, the next step is to build an assessment by creating a task and adding the test into it. To do so, I will navigate to the Tasks module and click on the red plus icon located at the bottom right of the page. After giving the task a name and selecting a use case, I will select the tests I want to include in the assessment. Once the task is created, I can start registering candidates by switching to the Candidates panel and registering them. After registering a candidate, I can click on the menu icon next to the candidate and copy the unique access link generated for them. This link will allow the candidate to directly log into the assessment. I can send the link through different communication channels or send an email invitation with the access link. To send an invitation email from the system, I can select the candidate and click on the email button. The email generator will allow me to personalize the subject line using the name placeholder. Then, I will write the email body and include a button that redirects the candidate to the assessment page. When the candidate clicks on the access link, they will be directed to the assessment page, which will display all the tests included in the task. By clicking the Start button, the candidate can begin the test. The task editor enables you to customize the entire assessment flow, from configuring how each test is to be conducted to customizing the assessment page and adding instructions. It includes security options such as webcam recording and screen recording. The Task Manager enables real-time monitoring of ongoing tests, as well as proctoring of candidates and initiating live chats with them. The Candidates panel provides a list of all registered candidates, displaying their assessment scores and individual test scores. Detailed test reports for each session are available, providing comprehensive information about candidate performance in multiple dimensions relative to other candidates. You can access all the recorded monitoring and proctoring materials. Testinvite is an advanced assessment software with a wide range of question types and complex assessment scenarios that include live monitoring and proctoring. For a better understanding of each module, please watch our other video tutorials. Thank you.